Welcome back to Slow English Journey, and welcome back to Paris. Yesterday, Mina and Daniel spent hours inside the Louvre. Today, they have a much simpler plan. They are going to follow their appetite through Paris. Let's join them. Before we go, here is today's question. Why did Daniel stop trying to choose the most French thing? At first, he thinks every meal needs the perfect answer. Listen carefully and see what changes his mind.
I made a food plan.
That sentence worries me already.
Breakfast, market, lunch, pastry, dinner.
You scheduled hunger?
I organized opportunities.
That is somehow worse.
I do not want to miss anything French.
Food does not know you are making a checklist.
My stomach appreciates structure.
Your stomach complained at the Louvre too.
It was under cultural pressure.
Fine. What is first?
We walk until something smells good.
Finally, a plan I can support. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Look at you.
I can greet people.
Yesterday, you nearly greeted a museum map.
It looked helpful.
Starting with hello feels nice.
Safer than my pastry pronunciation.
Much safer.
I know croissant.
Congratulations.
I also know pain au chocolat.
Now you are showing off.
Let me have this moment. They all look good.
That is the problem?
I need the most French choice.
You are in a bakery in Paris.
Exactly. The pressure is enormous.
Get the one you want.
That is not scientific.
Neither is staring at butter for 5 minutes.
Croissant or pain au chocolat?
Which one are you looking at?
The chocolate one.
Then your research is complete.
Suspiciously easy.
Breakfast can be easy.
Okay, I chose correctly.
You chose chocolate.
History will remember this.
History has other things to do.
Is yours good?
Very.
Wanna trade one bite?
You said yours was perfect.
Perfect can still be curious.
Dangerous philosophy around my food.
One bite.
Half a bite.
That is not a real unit.
It is when you are sharing with me. This is my favorite kind of shopping.
No giant cart.
No fluorescent lights.
No emergency cereal section.
You will survive.
People are buying a little from different stalls.
Fresh things, small amounts.
That makes dinner feel less far away.
We are not buying dinner yet.
I am thinking ahead.
Of course you are.
Those peaches look dangerous.
Dangerous.
To my budget. Which ones are good today?
Nice question.
I am learning.
You are asking a person instead of an app.
Do not make this emotional.
Too late.
She says these are sweeter.
Then let us get those.
No online ranking?
No,
No comparison chart?
Daniel.
Fine. 2 peaches.
Look at you trusting fruit in real time.
Here comes the cheese problem again.
You survived it last time.
Barely.
Ask for help.
I do not know what I like.
That is why tasting exists.
This one is mild.
And this one?
Stronger.
Which do you prefer?
The mild one.
Done.
No cheese personality test?
Absolutely not.
Bench?
Bistro?
We already have food.
We said we would try a real lunch.
The bench is free.
The bistro has chairs.
Strong argument.
And shade.
Stronger argument.
And someone else washes the plates.
You should have started there.
So, bistro.
Bistro.
The peaches can wait.
There is an empty table.
Wait.
For what?
Someone is coming.
Oh,
Let them seat us.
I was 2 seconds from claiming territory.
I saw.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
2, please.
Very smooth.
I recovered quickly.
From walking toward a chair?
What is the difference here?
This is a set menu.
Starter and main?
Or main and dessert, depending on the option.
Fewer decisions.
You need that.
I can make decisions.
You held a croissant meeting this morning.
Breakfast strategy.
Pick the set menu.
What if the perfect French dish is elsewhere?
What if lunch is just lunch?
You keep saying dangerous things.
And yet, you are still here.
Is that tap water?
Yes, a carafe of water.
And it is fine to ask for one.
Yes.
I like useful culture.
That is water, Daniel.
Useful water.
Drink before you research hydration.
And the bread is included here.
Yes.
France keeps giving me carbohydrates.
You say that like you are suffering.
I am trying to stay humble.
You are doing terribly.
Are we supposed to wait?
For the bread?
I do not want to break a rule.
Eat the bread.
That sounded official.
I appoint myself Minister of Lunch.
Powerful position.
Very.
This is good.
Try not to finish the basket.
Why give me permission then?
Because I know you.
Unfairly accurate.
Save room for lunch.
Yours looks better.
You have not tasted yours.
My eyes have information.
Your eyes are greedy.
One bite,
We discussed this at breakfast.
different meal, new negotiations.
Taste yours first.
Fine.
Well,
Mine is excellent.
problem solved.
I still want to know about yours.
Curiosity is expensive.
Nobody seems in a hurry.
Neither are we.
That is new.
You're not checking the time.
I checked it in my head.
That still counts.
Lunch feels slower here.
A meal can be part of the day, not a gap in it.
So we are allowed to sit and talk?
I hope so. You are my lunch date.
I thought I was your logistics department.
You have been demoted.
To boyfriend?
Temporary promotion.
Okay, this smells amazing.
Better than your spreadsheet?
The spreadsheet had no butter.
Serious design flaw.
Try this sauce.
With your fork?
Romance has risks.
Give me a clean bite.
Very practical girlfriend.
Still your girlfriend.
Good point.
Yours is really good.
See? I chose well.
The waiter recommended it. You really liked that sauce.
I refuse to waste evidence
Evidence?
of a successful lunch.
That is one way to say it.
The bread is perfect for this.
You look very pleased.
I learned a practical skill.
Eating sauce with bread?
Exactly.
Your resume is getting strange.
Museum endurance. Agate navigation. Sauce recovery.
Very employable.
Thank you. There is cheese and dessert.
Yes.
Why must life be difficult?
Mine is not. I am getting dessert.
Immediate decision?
Chocolate was involved.
I respect your clarity.
What do you actually want?
Dessert?
Then get dessert.
But cheese feels very French.
Your stomach is not taking a citizenship test.
That is annoyingly helpful.
You are welcome. One bite.
That is a small bite.
It is my dessert.
We are a couple.
Not a dessert corporation.
I accept the terms.
Well,
Very good.
that is all.
I need a second sample.
Request denied.
This relationship has strict management.
And excellent dessert.
Fair.
How do we ask for the bill?
L'addition, s'il vous plaît.
I can do that.
Quietly.
Was I going to shout?
Your face was preparing.
L'addition, s'il vous plaît.
Perfectly normal.
I feel very accomplished.
You asked for paper?
In French,
Fair point.
small victories.
I will allow it.
It says service compris.
Service is already included.
So a tip is not required?
Right. You can leave something extra if you want.
That is useful to know.
Better than guessing.
I was preparing a complicated calculation.
I could see it happening.
My calculator feels rejected.
It will recover.
The service was lovely.
Then leave a little extra if you want.
Simple again.
You are noticing a pattern. That one is beautiful.
Which one?
The little fruit tart.
I am looking at 4 things.
I noticed.
We already had dessert.
This is research for later.
Finally, research you support.
Visual research.
Very responsible.
Do not touch the door.
I was not going to.
Your hand moved.
It was curious.
Like your stomach?
We bought one.
I am proud of us.
Mostly me.
You tried to order 3.
I showed restraint eventually.
Here, try it.
That is really good.
Better than the perfect choice?
I am starting to dislike that phrase.
Progress.
Your turn.
Bigger bite.
Excuse me?
I carried the bag.
Fair distribution system. We have peaches, cheese, and bread.
That is enough.
Enough for what?
A simple dinner later.
No reservation?
No.
No famous restaurant?
No.
No ranking?
Please stay calm.
I am calm.
Your eyebrows are planning something.
Maybe one more shop?
Keep walking. Do you remember today's question?
Why did I stop trying to choose the most French thing?
Yes.
Because every time I chased the perfect choice, I stopped enjoying the choice in front of me.
That is surprisingly sensible.
The pastry helped.
Of course it did.
I liked asking the vendor what was good today.
And the waiter's recommendation.
And sharing your dessert.
My dessert remembers the theft.
It was cultural exchange.
Nice try.
I am keeping that answer.
That restaurant looks nice.
It does.
Want to check the menu?
Not tonight.
Who are you?
We already have food.
You are choosing the simple dinner?
Bread, cheese, fruit, and you.
That was almost romantic.
Almost?
You listed me after fruit.
The order was not a ranking.
Good answer.
I am learning quickly.
Today felt long.
In a good way?
We ate a lot.
We learned a lot.
About Paris?
About cheese.
Of course.
That cheese counter was stressful.
You survived.
With support.
From me?
Mostly from samples.
Romantic.
You were also helpful.
Better.
Wait, is that fresh bread?
Daniel, keep walking.
I'm just looking.
That's how the cheese started.
Fair point.
You know what I remember most?
The chocolate?
Strong candidate.
The sauce.
Also strong.
Then what?
Talking over lunch without checking the time.
That is very unlike you.
I liked asking people what they recommended.
Instead of finding the perfect answer online,
Exactly.
Paris is changing you.
Slowly.
That is kind of the point.
Daniel stopped trying to choose the most French thing because he realized there was no single perfect choice. Once he listened to people, tasted what looked good, and slowed down with Mina, the food became part of the day instead of another checklist. Their Paris Food Day was not about finding one perfect meal. It was about enjoying many small moments. Thank you for traveling with us. Travel slowly. Listen naturally. Discover the world. See you next time. Bye.